Here's the app called Hopper, Flies, Hotels, and Cars. It's constantly trending in the charts in travel categories. So as you can see, it's in the top charts. I'm on Booking.com, airline apps, and all of that. Because it often offers a lot of deals and discounts, and you can easily save money here. So just by signing up, I already got like a voucher, like a discount just for signing up. So here is just a free overview. So as you can see, I'm just started to use the app, and I have another offer where where I can redeem some another discount. So here's the app. You can search for hotels, flights, cars, homes. So if I want to search for flight, whatever, and then I can just search for some flight, and then just departure date. I can instantly see green cheaper days, red more expensive days. So I want to travel here, and then I want to travel back, and then I just select these days and then just search. And then I can also shop multi-city trips. So that's basically the idea. And it's like super easy interface, like very intuitive app. You don't need a lot of knowledge to start using it. And then, yeah, you can just see, and then it's just fetching the latest price. You can just select multi-city. So anyhow, this is just an overview. Then you can rent cars. You can search for hotels. Then you just have your wallet where you can see all the rewards. Then you can also invite friends here. And then there is a separate tab for the hotels. You have your profile. You can sign out. That's basically just a quick overview. The point of this app is that you can really find some nicer deals here compared to other apps, and you can get a lot of discounts, vouchers, and time of time they offer a lot of these, like deal discounts where you can get like $30, $50, $100 sometimes, and all of that. So it can make sense. So I didn't use this app before a lot, but you can just give it a try and check it out. So here you can just add a card, you can see your past trips and all of that. Hope that's helpful.